What is that? This is
You're supposed to say action.
action.
Hi, welcome to Paul's Workshop. This is our first actual face-to-face video where we're going to tell you a little bit about our channel. In Paul's Workshop, we do things like repair old slot machines. Maybe we'll work on grandfather clocks, watches. Occasionally we'll fix bicycles. Anything that breaks around this house or anything that we find is what we work on here. You may also see the occasional plushie video that Little Paul makes. Little Paul's a big fan of Logan Paul, and he wants to start his own.
That is not Logan Paul.
No, that's Super Mario Logan.
But that's not Logan Paul.
And come on out here, Paul, introduce yourself.
Hi.
He's been behind the camera. Sometimes he'll be in front of the camera and I'll be behind the camera. But anyway, you can expect to see a lot of cool stuff here in Paul's Workshop. So stay tuned to this brand new channel.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's good. I think you can cut there. I think you can cut there.
Okay, maybe we should have a side channel.
I think I'm going to fire him from behind the camera.